everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how you can strengthen your gut biome. First is to make sure that you eat your vegetables, especially the leafy green ones. Vegetables are loaded with fiber which cannot be digested by people but are consumed by the good bacteria in your gut. It has been observed that people who follow a diet rich with fruits and vegetables are less likely to grow disease-causing bacteria. Some great examples of vegetables that feed your microbes are leeks, onions, asparagus, broccoli, spinach, and artichokes. Next is to cut out sugar and avoid processed foods. So fast digestion sugars are digested so quickly that your little microbes don't get a chance to take a bite out of them. If you're eating too many simple sugars regularly, you run the risk of literally starving your microbiome to death. Additionally, hungry microbes will resort to munching away at the lining in your intestine, which can lead to inflammation. Try to alter your diet to include foods with more complex sugars to ensure a happy and healthy microbiome. Here's some foods that you can eat that are sweet that'll keep you and your gut biome happy. Honey, dark chocolate, coconut flour, apples, berries, bananas, mangoes, sweet potatoes. Also, make sure you keep an eye out for hidden sources of sugar in your foods. People add sugars into things that you wouldn't expect, so try to avoid those. And finally, prebiotics. Prebiotics are amazing for your gut bacteria, and they're full of live bacteria that will help ensure your gut is populated by mostly the good types of microbiomes. You can get good prebiotic supplements. I'll show you the best one I recommend in the next slide. But you can also get it from foods. So fermented foods such as kimchi or sauerkraut or even a beverage like kombucha contains lots of prebiotics, and that will be very good for your gut biome. So try to add either some foods or I'll show you the supplement on the next slide. So here is the best supplement to strengthen your gut biome. It's called Sinogut. It is a digestive supplement. It helps to restore the gut lining and it grows the good bacteria that you need for proper digestion. Also, on the next screen here's the ingredients. It's a natural supplement, 100% plant-based and vegan ingredients. It's produced in the United States and it is FDA approved. It's designed for a 30-day treatment that is designed to fix your digestive issues and heal your gut biome. They do offer a money-back guarantee for 60 days, so if you don't like it, you can return it for full money back. I personally use the supplement, and I've talked about my experiences on the channel a few times, but it did work very well for me, and I was dealing with a lot of digestive issues, but this fixed it up for me. So I'll leave a link to that in the description if you're interested. And with that, that is the end of the video. I hope this helped you out. And I hope you will be able to strengthen your gut biome at home. Thank you and goodbye.